So that means this guy has to give way to the stand-on vessel. Let's say you have two boats on a collision course. Who needs to get out of the way of the other? So here we have this guy moving this way, this guy moving this way. They are going to collide, all right? So somebody has got to make a move, all right? So what we have is called, there's one stand-on vessel and then one give-way vessel. So the vessel that's on the starboard side, which is the right side of the vessel, so the vessel on the starboard side, that's going to be this one, he's going to be the stand-on vessel, and I'll write SO here. That means he must maintain course and speed, okay? Now, the other vessel is called a give-way vessel. I'll put GW. So that means this guy has to give way to the stand-on vessel. So that means this guy, if there's room, he has to slow down, he has to alter his course, or he has to slow down and alter his course. Okay. And you want to alter your course to starboard because if you altered your course to port, then that's going to cause an issue in the future. But the stand-on vessel has to, if this guy didn't know his role, the stand-on vessel has to avoid that risk of collision. So if this guy just blatantly does not know the rules, the stand-on vessel has to give way to this guy.